And the event was, while I was doing my always probably too long videos, I must have hit the slow-mo option, slow motion option on my phone camera, and somehow turned it off again. I don't know how any of this happened. I didn't have a camera on me to observe what the hell I was doing. But subsequently, about 18 minutes, sort of like the missing Nixon Watergate 18-minute gap on the tapes, was in slow motion, whereas the beginning of the video and the end of the video were normal speed. I went through every different video program, including YouTube itself, that I possess. I downloaded several, just trying to correct this. It was challenging. And I got something that I think is presentable, but a little different, because I hate reshooting videos, especially long videos. So what you're going to hear is, or what you're going to see is a normal video at video speed, but my voice is going to be a little deeper than normal. It's going to sound like either I have the worst head cold known to man, or that I need the exorcist to come by. It's sort of like this, very deep, but intelligible. So I decided to leave it as it is and have a little fun with it. And so it's not my normal voice. And that's about all I have to say. Hope you enjoy it. It's different. And is there anything else